All right, guys, let's do a quick unboxing and see exactly what comes in the box. All right, so the first thing we're going to be greeted with is some documentation for the product. We can go through this a little bit later. We get this little metal tray. This is going to be for picking up any water spillage. We have this tool that is used to remove the filter. Here is our actual filter that we're going to be inserting into the filtration system. And here is our water filtration system. All right, guys, as you guys can see, this is a very slim system. It's excellent. It's going to be great for setting up in your kitchen, your RV, your man cave, she shed, wherever the case you want to place this. So let's get this all set up and take a look at some of its features. As you guys can see, you have this tape in different areas. So you just want to remove that like so. This is the lid for your water tank. And this is what you're going to fill the water up. And here's the cap for where the filter goes in. And then you'll use this tool right here and that locks it in place. Then you can replace the cap. On the front, we have our power plug. Here's our little tray. This is magnetic, as you guys see there. You can also remove the lid from here. This is going to get your water spillage. All right, so we need to fill up the tank. The tank just pops off. It has this little handle. You're just going to pull it off like so. And then on the tank itself, it's going to show you what your maximum fillage is and what the minimum is. Now, once you first set this up, you actually need to run this 6 times to clear out and purge or to set up the filter. So let's put some water in here and get started. All right, so now we have our water filled up to the maximum level here. We're just going to reattach this like so. Drop the handle back in place and then put the cap back on. All right. Now what we can do is power this guy on for the first time. All right, guys, so as you see, we now have power. And it's going to take a few minutes for it to start bringing the water into the reverse osmosis filter. And then once we get to that stage, I'll show you guys the setup process, how to get clean water, how to flush the tank, how to reset, as well as choose the amount of water that you want to bring out at one time. So you have an option of 5 ounces, 10 ounces, and 20 ounces, depending on what it is that you need. There is instructions right here printed on the front, which is going to make it really easy for you guys to set this up. You will need to run this approximately 6 times in order to clear out the filter. So we're running the first one right now. So we're just going to go ahead. I set this to 5 ounces. You have an option of 5, 10, and 20 ounces, as we said before. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit 10 ounces. Okay, so I filled this tank a second time. You'll repeat this 6 times. Once you purge the filter, you'll be able to just go in and hit clean. Select an amount. So having clean water is probably one of the most important things that you can have in your life, guys, whether it's for cooking or just general health. So a reverse osmosis system is an excellent, excellent investment in your personal health, for your family, your pets, whatever the case it may be. Definitely take a look at this product, guys. All right, so we're going to set this at 10 ounces and we're going to just run it. So we're scoring a 32, which means this water should be very, very clean. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you this reverse osmosis water system for home, office, RVs, whatever the case it may be. So definitely take a look at this guy. I think this will be an excellent investment for your home office. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm going to be using this for my household cooking and things like that, and general health. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.